Boom. So here it is. This is a new colorway. I mean, I'm so hyped on it. I haven't had a new color in so long. It's been a few years, so I've only had black and a white option of the CK frame. So getting this crazy and this cool on it, I feel like it just stands out and it's different. I've never had something like this. These graphics all come in tune with just like this jersey that I was inspired by, this NBA jersey. Had to incorporate some of that red camo and the blue paint. It came out like the blue camo as I wanted it to. Came out better than I could have ever even thought it could have. And the front graphic right here is inspired by the NBA too, obviously. I've been super into basketball. I had the graphic designers over there at Haro, dude Ryan, just put in his, his interpretation of it, and he has me doing the nose manual on the front. And I think it just looks dope. It just fits the whole vibe of the frame. It's got the lightning bolt between the CK on the top graphic. Just kind of like, these different little accents to the frame that haven't been incorporated on it before. We used the inspiration from this jersey I had, so you'll see all the graphics are inspired by that. They got all the same font. By looking at the graphics, it just kind of got that vibe to it. We got a jersey actually coming out as well that it matches the whole bike. It's got the same font, same graphics on the jersey too, and it looks like an NBA jersey. It's dope. And yeah, I'm super hyped on how everything turned out. All these graphics like really came to life. I think I kind of like pushed Haro as far as the designs and colorways. I've never seen something so funky, and I'm surprised that they rock with me so hard that they were down to do it, and I'm like super excited to kind of keep going and make something else that's funky too one day and make another colorway that's dope. So I'm kind of like getting on a roll of kind of expressing myself through making this, and Haro's supporting me through that, and they're just down to just rock with me and make some cool stuff. So we got frames, complete bikes, and that jersey coming out, and they're coming out in limited quantity, so you got to act fast. I mean, after we're done with that and they're sold out, I'm gonna come up with something else cool. So yeah, if you guys like this style and this one, I mean, yeah, get your hands on it.